Feeling stuck in your spiritual growth? Negative ions could be the key to unlocking your next level. Studies show negative ions increase serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter that's so important for Kundalini activation and Reiki integration. You can soak up these mood-boosting, mind-enhancing ions by spending time in nature, especially near moving water. Negative ions also improve sleep, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive performance, all crucial elements of maximizing the benefits of spiritual awakening. It's a total mind-body-spirit boost. So if you're looking to amplify your spiritual practice, ditch the coffee and get outside instead. Your brain, body, and higher self will thank you.